Hey everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are not in my bedroom. We are away from my vanity and sitting in my living room because for today's video I wanted to talk a little bit more about my home cleaners and laundry, just a couple of things that I've changed for almost a year now and that I'm very happy with, products I recommend. All of this are going to be cruelty free. So before we get into the video, if you could please hit the red button down here to subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I do post twice a week. Okay, so I do have everything here next to me, so if I'm looking down there, that's the reason why. So I do have a couple of products that I want to talk about. Two of them are kind of like recurring subscriptions that you can either pay as you go, like whenever you order, or you can kind of like just subscribe and then you get it like every 3 weeks, every month, every 2 months, however you use it. Let's start with the only beauty product that I have and then we'll get into kind of like some more household cleaners. So the very first thing, it's going to be a deodorant. This is going to be the one that I've been using, I want to say for almost 5 or 6 months at this point. So it's by the brand by Humankind and I do get my scent coconut, and this one is my husband's. He didn't really care for it, but I'll talk about it a little bit more. So yeah, you originally just pick up this plastic container on the outside and you do get like 5 or 6 different colors to pick from. I went for the black and gray, gray and white for him and for me. And then you basically just get refills that are gonna go inside this plastic container. I think this one looks a little bit better. So you see here, it has this little thing, so you will basically pop this open and then you put inside the refill. That's the one that you can either get like a subscription for, which I think you pay a little bit less whenever you subscribe, and you can just select the time. So you can select if you want this to come to your home like every 3 weeks, every month, every couple of months. I do have here their website. So the actual deodorant inside is gonna be $15 and the packaging is gonna be $3. So you can just basically buy one time the container, and they have 4 different shades, not 5, 4. So a white one, an off-white, a black, the one that I have, like grayish black, and then a bright green. The scents, you do have 5 options from selecting. I do get for myself the coconut one, and my husband used to get the mint one. He doesn't really care for it. He actually just went back to another deodorant that I get for him from Target that's also cruelty free. I can't think right now of the name. I'll post like here a little picture of that, the brand that he uses. You can find it at Target, and I've also bought it from Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure they sell it everywhere. But anyway, I actually like his, like the scent of mint for whenever I do work out. It's just a little bit more fresh smelling compared to the coconut, but my coconut I just use it like on my everyday, and this one whenever I do work out. I'm not gonna lie, for a workout I do feel like I sweat a little bit, like my underarms. I usually don't sweat with like another deodorant, but whenever using this I do find that I sweat a little bit more than I would with another one. But for me, it's not something that it bothers me unless like someone is like right next to me trying to smell my underarms. Like it's not going to happen. So as long as I just put on that deodorant before my workout and then come back home and shower, I'm all good. On my everyday, I feel like this works perfect. Like if I'm not working out, it works perfect. It goes, I'll wear it at night. I shower at nights. So I'll shower, put on my deodorant, go to bed, and then every morning I put it back on. So with those 2 times during the day, I feel like that's plenty. I don't feel like I need any more unless I'm working out, which is whenever I use the other scent, and I do need to shower afterwards because I do get pretty stinky with using this one. Laundry detergent. So before finding about this brand and this system, I used to use the 7th generation. So I've been using that 7th generation for years at this point, so that's been cruelty free for a very long time. But in the back of my mind, I wanted to find something that wasn't so plasticky. Like I didn't want to be consuming so much plastic, and those huge jogs of plastic, they never go anywhere. So I found, I don't remember how I really found this, but I found this brand Air Breeze, and these ones are so awesome. This is a brand new one. I actually get this sent to my house every single month, so I don't even have to worry about it. And this pouch with 60 loads it's going to cost me $12. It is so easy to store because of course you don't have that huge jug just taking all the space in your laundry room. So our laundry room is not really a room, it's in the bathroom. We kind of like have a little doors and then it's like our space. So there's basically no space. So knowing that I can save so much room with not those gigantic jugs, that's another thing why I love it. And also the fact that this is literally my laundry. It's so convenient, it's so good for the planet compared to like using all the horrible plastic. So this is your laundry. So it's just a dry sheet of laundry. Whenever it's like a big load, I'll use a full one. If it's a smaller load, I'll just use half and you just rip it and you put it in your washing machine, depending on which one you have. You can either throw it in the little compartment or inside. But honestly, this has been the best change I've done in like all of this system of like trying to reduce plastic and using only cruelty free. Again, all of these products are cruelty free. I'm not gonna be mentioning in every single one, but yes. So this is just such a good way of reducing your plastic, and you can either get a subscription like you get it received every month, which is the way I do it. It's $12 a month, or you can do like a full year. I believe if you get like the full year, so you'll get 12 of this, it's going to be like $100, something among those lines. I'm pretty sure it's like $99. So depending on what you want to do, you have those two options. But honestly, I'm never ever going back to using any other laundry. I feel like it works perfect. My clothes come out super clean, not smelly at all. So I really, really love this. The only thing I wish is that they had laundry, what do you call this, like softener. So they don't have it. I've actually found another brand called Drops. I've never tried it, but I'm looking into ordering my softener from them because I don't use softener anymore. I just use this. So I want to find another brand. I wish they had a softener, but they don't. That I absolutely fell in love with was Blueland. So I don't know if you're familiar with this brand, but everything basically comes in little tablets, and you just put water into your containers and then dissolve the little tablet, and you'll get kind of like your cleaner or whatever it is that you got. So I do have, with this system, I do have the bathroom cleaner, and whenever you buy it originally, you can either just get the tablets, which honestly I would recommend because of course you save the money of getting this container, but not really because of that. I really love that container. I think it's adorable, but it comes with a huge flaw. I feel like this spritzer, it'll work for a little while and then it gets kind of stuck. So you kind of like spritz and this thing just doesn't work. This thing gets all the way in the back. It's really a pain. So what I did is I just used, this is the remaining that I have, but I have since then already used a different container, and I just dissolved the tablet. So basically you just grab some warm water and dissolve your tablet in it. If you have the bottles, you're supposed to just throw in hot water all the way to here. Like there's a little tablet there on the container. So you throw in just warm water and then you throw in your tablet, and then it kind of like starts dissolving like an Alka-Seltzer. It's pretty cool actually. If you're gonna get the system, I would recommend you just get the tablet and then use another container to put in the liquid. So the tablets itself are going to be $2 per refill. So you get like a 3-pack, that's gonna be $6. So whenever you order, you can get 1 pack and it'll come with 3 of these ones, and then it's gonna be $6. So they do have it in this system like bathroom refill, so like a bathroom cleaner, and then you also get a window cleaner, like to clean windows and mirrors, and you also get a multi-surface. I haven't tried those two because I still currently have another multi-surface that I'll talk about in a minute, and the window cleaner or like a mirror cleaner, I have like a regular one that I've had for years at this point. It's not like you go through those so fast. But once I'm done with those, I'll definitely go to Blueland and getting these little capsules. So you get those capsules and you also get those kind of like 3-pack. And they also have hand soap refill that I haven't used just yet. So my dish cleaning products are also from Blueland. So the way they come, I do get this big bag. It's a paper bag. This one is the dishwasher tablets, and these are fragrance free. It comes with 40 tablets and you can just get the little pouch, but they also have this little aluminum tin foil, whatever you call it, container, and you can actually store them in here. This is just optional, but I do like to keep them in here. I put them underneath my sink, unlike just regular dishwasher tablets. And I just refill with that bag, and this is what the actual tablet looks like. So there's going to be no packaging around this thing. There's going to be nothing that's going to be plastic just hanging around, you know, some landfills or ocean. So I really love that company. And again, this is going to be what I use. I've been using for, I want to say like 5 months already, almost 6 months, maybe more. I can't remember. But yeah, I use the dishwasher tablet, and I also use their dish soap. So here it comes in powder form, so I don't know if you can probably tell. So this is actually powder, just like the old school. And you can also buy, like an extra thing you can do is just buy this silicone container, and you just basically refill, and it does come with a little opener there. So I'll just make my little soap mixture. I have a glass container next to my sink, and I just do the mixture for, you know, whatever dishes I want to wash by hand. And whenever you get the refill, you can also get it in this form. Like whenever you buy them, they come in this just paper bag. So there's gonna be no plastic used, unless of course you get the actual container, this one, or like the one for the bathroom cleaner. And then lastly, I just want to talk real quick about the very famous and popular Mrs. Meyer's. I've been using this multi-surface cleaner for a very long time. This is what I use to clean like my cabinets, like all of my kitchen area, anything in my house, like all surfaces, I'll go in with this one. I'm actually going to be turning into Blueland once I'm done with this, but I do have a big bottle of this one entirely full, and I have this one already started, as you can see. So this was my favorite until I found Blueland. I'm not gonna lie, I still love this scent. Specifically this one, the basil, smells so good for cleaning everything. You can use also this one for cleaning your floors, cleaning your surfaces, cleaning kitchen, and I really do love it. But I wish they had some kind of system similar to Blueland where you could just buy like a little tablet and then make your own liquid. But that's the reason really why I'm gonna stay away from Blueland. I'm sorry, from Mrs. Meyer once I'm finishing this, because this is a concentrate. So you basically just throw in a little bit of that and then water, and then you refill your individual, I guess, container. I guess you could call it individual. So what I was mentioning earlier of the Blueland container that doesn't really work, this is what I've been using. So this one is Mrs. Meyer's, but I have others in the bathroom, like another one of this, where I have this liquid, the Blueland bathroom cleaner. Just because this spritzer is awesome. I so wish that they could make the spritzer on this bottle as good as the Mrs. Meyer's. If Mrs. Meyer's ever came with a system similar to Blueland, I would definitely stick with this one because I love the scents that it comes with. But the whole point is I'm trying to, you know, be a little more mindful and reduce my plastic consumption. So Mrs. Meyer's doesn't really everything offer. I use in my home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any brands that I should check out. Kind of like this same system of like plastic free and something that's obviously cruelty free. So if you have any recommendations, leave them down below. I would really love to look into more brands. Maybe I'm missing out on something even better than what I already have. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.